In this video, we will learn how to create a Facebook business account. Let's get started. Here is my Facebook profile. You need to have a Facebook personal account first before creating your business account. Let's go to Google New tab and search businessfacebook.com/create. Select this link. Let's get started with business tools from Meta. Scroll down. Click Create an account. Create your business account in Business Manager. Here enter your business and account name. And enter your business email. When you add people to your business, your name and business email will be visible to them. If you are all done, click Submit. Confirm your email address and click Done. Your Facebook business account has been successfully created. This is how to create a Facebook business account. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.